Hello and welcome everyone. This is Job Science, a YouTube channel. And once again, I'm here with you with all of the new and latest jobs. And my today's location is Kuwait. And I'm hoping that there are some people as well for looking these jobs in Kuwait as well. And my today's job list is including so many jobs: nanny job in Kuwait, and then Kuwaiti food chef wanted, need welder fabricator in Kuwait, cleaning maid vacancy in Kuwait, urgently required mechanical electrical engineer for Kuwait projects, and then assistant in kitchen wanted, and then cutter jobs in Kuwait, and AC technicians vacancies, office boys jobs in Kuwait, and vacancy available for data entry timekeeper and urgently required in Kuwait. Last job is pastry and bakery chefs required. So that's a long list of jobs today, and I'm hoping you must have found something for you as well. And all of these are jobs are for Kuwaiti nationals and for all those people who are living in Kuwait. So it's a good opportunity for all those who are living in Kuwait today. So once again, I have a message for you all that please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for all of the latest updates, and watch this video up to the end, share all my videos, like all my videos, and in advance, I want to thank you all for watching my video up to the end. I thank you all. So let's start with the details of all the jobs. My first job is of nanny job, live-in. I think so. It's a live-in job, and place is Salmia in Kuwait. Required nanny to work in house, any nationality. So they are interested in any nationality. Means they urgently need someone to help them out. And salary is 200 KWD plus accommodation plus visa 20 stay in. And if you are interested and you have that visa as well, so please apply for this job. Salary is 200 KWD. There is a number for you. You can contact them. You can share your CV. You can call them for further details as well. And then my next job is of Kuwaiti food chef wanted. Once again, place is Salmia, Kuwaiti food chef wanted for the restaurant and minimum 3 years experience. So they are needing a person who has at least 3 years experience in Kuwaiti foods and local candidates only with visa 18 transferable. And obviously, they are interested in all those people who are living in Kuwait these days. And they have given you the email address. Please share your CV if you are interested, and you can contact them for further details as well. And then my next job is need welder fabricator in Kuwait. A vacancy available for welder fabricator, 8 hours duty in accommodation will be provided by the company. Candidate should have transferable residency and ready to join immediately. 18 and 20 can be the visa, and contact number is given. So if you are interested, this is the welder fabricator. Accommodation will be provided, and 8 hours duty, but they didn't mention the salary and other details. So contact them. If you are interested, please contact them, get the details, and apply. And next job is cleaning maid vacancy. In Salmia, urgently hiring for cleaners. Kuwait cleaning company, only serious persons can call us through WhatsApp. 4 days off in a month. So you have 4 days off in a month and 10 hours duty a day. And it also depends on your work as well. And nationality Philippines only, a 180 KWD salary, which is fixed by the way, and food plus accommodation will be provided by the company. So if you are interested and you want to apply in this job, you have to work for 10 hours a day, and nationality Philippines only, salary is 18 KWD, 180 KWD. How to apply? Please share your CV on the following number, and you can contact them by this number as well by calling them for the further detail. The job was for cleaning maid, cleaners, by the way, they are needing. Next job is urgently required mechanical electrical engineer for Kuwait project. So there are need of mechanical and electrical engineers, and in Kuwait some projects. Place is Ketan, candidate with minimum educational qualification of ITI diploma or equivalent in electrical or mechanical. Those who are with this degree must have an idea what the need of the job, and minimum experience would be 2 years. And experience in site work activities will be added advantage. If you have the site experience as well, it is then you would be preferred. Salary is negotiable, and shared accommodation and other benefits will be provided by the company. Kuwait labor laws. So salary. They would be it would be negotiable. It means that during the interview they are going to discuss with you depending on your experience, depending on your qualification, depending on your site experience as well, and then they will decide the salaries for you, and they didn't give us a hint any. And so shared accommodation would be there, but it is of shared nature, and other benefits will be provided by the company according to the laws. So, eligible and interested candidates are requested to send updated resume with educational and experience certificate by email to at the following email address. Please share your informations on the following number and the following email address. Then my next job is assistant in kitchen wanted. Some restaurant is needing a assistant in kitchen, required for cleaning and assistant in kitchen. So they need some helper kind of. It's a helper kind of a job in kitchen, but so it could be the cleaning and it could be assisting the chefs as well. So duty hours are 12 hours. So it means you have to work for 12 hours. Duty hours are long, by the way. Salary is 220 KWD. It's important that salary is better than other. And salary includes housing plus lunch, one meal, and room, and you have must have 18 passport. And so they are giving you the accommodation, lunch, and 18 passport as well. So please apply for this job. There is a number. Please share your CV. This was the job of assistant needing in kitchen. And next job is cutter job in Kuwait. Required tailor or cutter to work in Hawala area. Any nationality can apply. Salary is 300 KWD. Full package. 8 hours duty. Your duties 8 hours. 1 day off a week, and visa 18 transferable. So if you have visa 18 transferable, so the package is waiting for you. This is the job for the tailors or the cutters, and salary would be 300 KWD. Next job is AC technicians vacancy in Kuwait. Required AC technicians in company in Hawale. Any nationality can apply. Salary is 250 to 300 KD, and 1 day off weekly, 8 hours duty along with 18 visa, 18 transferable. So salary would be 250 to 300 KD, and AC technicians. The job is for AC technicians. Next job is office boy job in Kuwait. Salary is 150 and KWD. Posted today, place Mina Abdul Abdullah area. I don't know. I think so. I'm not pronounce it correctly. So, anyways, those who are living in Kuwait must have an idea about the naming of the locations. Required office boy to work in Min Abdullah near Faha Hill area. Salary 150 KD. Accommodation 1 day off, that is Friday, and duty hours 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. 7 hours duty. So the duty is of 7 hours. Salary is 150 KD, and Friday would be off. 18 visa would be with you. That's transferable. Call please at the following number. Please call them. Please share your CV. What is needing for this for applying for this job. This was the job of office boy needing in Kuwait. And next job is vacancy available for data entry and timekeeper. Experience should be 2 to 3 years. Ability to work in flexible shift. Ability to work in Excel and Outlook, email and Word. So the person should be able. The job is for data entry. Obviously, data entry is a computer literate person is needing for this job. So they need a person at least 2 years experienced, and the person should be able to work in the shifts as well. And basically, it's a kind of a full time job. So you can be called at any time. And ability to work in Excel, and you must know, or you can say that you must have a good command on Excel and Outlook and email and Word, means MS Office and emailing. Should know the attendance timing calculations and daily reports making. Should know English very well and typing also. Should understand Arabic and should be communication also. Also visa 18 only acceptable. So they want a person who is bilingual, means who must have Arabic and can speak in Arabic and English. And then work location is Min Abdullah, and salary range is 250 to 75 KWD, and send email certificates, ISNAMIL, civil ID, passport copy, and experience certificate. So these all you have to send them as email. And the expected salary, you need to mention the expected salary as well in the in your CV. So share your CV at the following number and contact them for further details if you want. Urgent requirement in Kuwait. So next job is there are so many jobs, by the way, in some place they are needing fabricators, fitters, helpers, riggers, scaffolders, welders. So there are so many jobs. If you are doing nothing these days and you are in search of some job and you are living in Kuwait with 18 or 20 transferable visa, then please apply for these jobs. Or any other situation can be with you, like if you want to switch your job, or you want to, your contract is going to end, then in that case too you can apply for these jobs. Fabricator, piping structure, 6 fabricators are needing, then 7 fitters are needing, helpers, 10 helpers are needing. These the young boys who are doing who have no jobs these days can apply for this kind of jobs. Then riggers, 10 in numbers, 8 scaffolders are needing, welder, TIG and arc. Obviously this is the, this is the professional person is needing for this job. So 15 welders are needing. And next is 4 safety supervisors are needing, and 1 rigging supervisor, 1 scaffolding supervisor, and 1 instrument engineer. So they need a full set of staff. I think so. It's a new company they are going to start regarding the steel fabrication and all that. So please apply for this job, as there are so many jobs and they need supervisors and the helpers as well. So we need all of the candidates from Kuwait and transferable residency. Interested candidates, contact us. Please call them for the further details, or you can share your CV at the following number as well. Next job is pastry and bakery chefs required. Place Abu Fatira area, required pastry and bakery chef. Any nationality, salary would be 400, 8 hours duty and 1 day off weekly. 18 transferable visa would be with you. And the call, if you are interested, please call them at the following number. They need some bakery chef, means they need a baker who can be expert in pastry making and cake making. So any nationality, it means that they are interested in on an immediate basis. So that was my last job. I thank you all for the patience listening, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share my channel with your friends, and I'm very thank you for all of the likings and all of the views and all of the good comments in for the channel. Thank you so much for all of the good if you are thinking something good for anyone, the person should be appreciable, and the attitude is appreciable, by the way. I thank you all for the patience listening. Please take care of yourself. We will meet again in the next video. Up till then, bye bye.